yung mga ating Jolly Kids na ating Merla. Mukhang hindi sila pakita ng excitement kung nakita nila si ating best friend na si Jollibee. And kids, syempre pwede natin siyang puntahan at ihag. Bigyan natin ng big hug si Jollibee. Sige na, kids! Tara na, samahan natin si Jollibee. Ayan.
Hug na tayo kay Jollibee, hug.
Nahihiya ka si Jollibee. Sige na, kuya. Kuya James, kuya Mentor, punta na kayo dito. Ayan. So kids, dito po tayo sa unahan. Magkaroon tayo ng group picture together with our best friend, Jollibee. Ayan. Dito na kayo kids.
Kuya.
Dito na kayo sa unahan. Ayan.
Ano kayo, ate?
Ayan. Tingin mo na kayo sa camera. Ayan. Dito ka na kayo, Nikki. Ayan. Very good.
High five, high five.
Ayan. So everyone, get ready for that. Get ready and wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, stand up and receive your certificate. Then we will take a photo together with our best friend, Jollibee. Afterwards, you may take your seat.
Here's your book.
Ayan.
Kids, salamat muna kids.
Ayan, kids. Ito muna tayo, kids. Wait for your name to be called. Ayan. Wow, very good. Ang daming stickers ni Kuya Nikki. Ito muna tayo. Ayan si Jollibee daw. Kasi yan. Ayan. So for our first achievers for today is Kuya James Kailintar. This is to certify that you have completed the Jolly Kids Fun Jump in Jollibee Naga Rojas. Ayan. Dito na po kaya ng James.
And of course, congratulations.
Mamaya tayo.